Hello guys, welcome to today's video. Today we are going to see how to teach GitHub Copilot to make use of latest and greatest version of the framework or the language that we are using. Let's jump into the video, shall we? So here is the sample, here is the GitHub Copilot page. So I will be explaining this in a nutshell, and then we will see a actual video that demonstrates the actual steps that involve to make the GitHub Copilot use the latest version. Okay, let's take this Python file as an example. So here they are typing something, and based on this command, GitHub Copilot will split you the code. Okay, so during the examination, you find that some of the functions, some of the inbuilt functions that belongs to Python is based on the older version of the Python. So you don't know, so here we have a bottleneck, so we don't know the latest parameters that strip time gets. Okay, so what we can do is we can go to the example of this latest version for this strip time and get the code, sample code. So you there is no need to get the exact code. You can get the sample code from the Python documentation and paste it here or anywhere else in the method for this example. And now what you have to do is you just need to remove this code and try to generate the new code. Now what Copilot will do is Copilot will analyze the examples or the codes that you have written in the file. Say for example, in this case this file, pass example.py. So based on that context, it will produce the new output. So in the new output, you will see GitHub Copilot is using the latest version of the Python syntaxes. So this is a very good feature in GitHub Copilot. So I don't know this example exists. So I came to know this when I saw a GitHub Copilot go through video in Visual Studio Code YouTube channel. So I will share the video in this in end of this video. So for now, so this will apply to the all the frameworks and the languages that we are using, even for YAML file, everything it will apply. Okay, so now let's see the video how we can apply the we can make the GitHub Copilot use the latest version of the language or framework what we are using. So guys, so here is the video. I have skipped most of the part in that video, and uh, so the part that I have explained to you, right? So that is called context. Giving context to the GitHub Copilot. So let's watch it together. Okay, shall we? Okay, I think they are trying to design a restaurant application using SQL Alchemy. Uh, I think they are going with the default one, so that's fine. See how, so here we can see how the GitHub Copilot is assisting us on the uh, coding part. Yes. So see, as they said, right? The latest version is version 2.0, but GitHub Copilot is using the different version, which is 1.4, I believe. Yeah, that's great. See, that's what I have told, right? So we have to give a sample context or sample uh, documentation from the actual website. Mhm. Okay. Okay. Let me go here. See, so previously in the older version, which is 1.4, they are trying to create a, restaurant class with this context, correct? So as you can see here, so now they have modified in different way. So let's see, watch this. See, now the GitHub Copilot has learned from the code that we have just pasted above. So that code was that code is from the documentation of the SQL Alchemy. Mhm. See, that's fair enough, right? Okay, guys. So that's all for this video. So now you will know how to make the Copilot use the latest and greatest version of the code that we actually need for our application. So make use of this and let's be productive. Okay. See you in next video. So do me a favor. Uh, please share this video. Hit that subscribe button and like button. That will help me a lot. Thank you. See you in the next video.